I'm gonna show you how to make a garlic paste. So from the head of garlic, I just cut off a little bit to expose the cloves, and then you pick out what you need. We're gonna do one for right now. And you can cut off this little piece first. And what that does is it kind of helps. Sometimes I find that if I hold it down and I lift, look, sometimes I take off a good amount with that already, and then it helps me to peel it. Look, I got lucky this time. Okay, so for the majority, it came off. If that doesn't happen, what you can do instead is just first put the hump towards you and then give it a nice smack, and it starts to also peel. But you know, it really depends on the garlic. So see, this one's giving me a little more trouble, but overall, you either smack it first or take off that little end piece first. Okay, this one has a little bit stuck on there. All right, so this is what you do. Once you're at this point, you've got your cloves. I'm gonna do one for demonstration because it does take a little bit of time, but so does mincing, and it's better to have fresh. So what you do is, this one has a little nub there. So I'm gonna make a little cut, just like that, right? Once I've got my cut and I'm gonna go over it, I want you to notice the technique here. I have my fingers on the top of the blade here, and I'm gonna pinch here, and I'm going to go back and forth in a half moon shape. I'm not gonna go all over my board. I'm gonna keep dragging this back onto the cutting board. And you notice that the up and down motion is very close to the board. That's on purpose because you don't wanna be, you know, up here and taking your time, because that's not efficient. So keep doing this until it's somewhat small, the way you want it, but then you just have like chopped or minced garlic. And to bring it to the paste level, what you do is you grab a little kosher salt. That salt is gonna act as an abrasive. It's gonna bring out the moisture of the garlic, and it is going to help make that paste. And just like this, boom, boom, boom. Okay, and this is the action that you want to take here. Then you drag the knife, the flat, towards the garlic like this, and drag down, and you're kind of like dragging it towards yourself. Okay, and with time you'll get more comfortable with the motion, but as you do this, you're gonna see how lovely it just kind of, it disintegrates, and it makes this wonderful paste. Hope that was helpful.